Well, as I was editing this video and getting ready to put it up, I'm going to ignore that puddle. It's fine. My good friend, Mr. Bryce DeCastro, he's got Project Frankenstein, that's his truck, 74 F-250. He told me that last weekend was his birthday. Well, I didn't know that, and he sure could have told me about it. But anyway, this whole entire video is going to be dedicated to Mr. Bryce DeCastro. Go check him out, link in the description eventually. He's got a truck like mine, really cool informative videos. He's rebuilt the whole thing. Doesn't get much better than that. He's rebuilt it by himself. But anyway, this for you, man. Take care. Hold on. We got fire. I bought some exhaust stuff here. I bought a new overflow hose through the access panel that my grandfather made, and we're going to fix the fuel leak. Gonna drop the oil in it, 1030, and some hyper lube. And you gotta have zip ties, otherwise you're just gonna be in a pickle. So I guess we'll drop the oil because it takes a while to drain, and we'll do the other stuff while we wait. So let's get into it. Quick note, I have an exhaust tip already on there, but you know, it's galvanized aluminum and they rust out after a little while, so we're gonna, you know, bring it out more. We bought that bend and that tip, and we're just gonna angle her out. I don't really know how the fitment is gonna work. I just kind of saw a shiny thing with a low price tag and went, I need that. And I change the oil in this truck every 500 miles or 3 months. Normally they time out about the same, so I buy the extended life filter. And I can get about 2-3 uses out of that oil filter. As long as you drain it, pull it off, drain it, you're okay. Might as well get you under the truck with me while I do this. This drain pan, I think it's a 7/16 flavor. Anyway, it's a small drain plug for such a mighty engine. New starter. Anyway, we'll get in here. See what size it is. Gonna be one bigger. It's an 84, so it'll probably be standard, and it is. So we'll get the oil draining, and it probably takes about 4 or 5 minutes to drain, so we'll get this coming out. Seven-eighths is what it is. I don't know why I thought it was anything else. Here comes the oil, draining it out. It's got good viscosity. Anyway, let's get to it. If you got an older engine or a high mileage engine, throw this in there. I throw it in our Yukon too, 313,000 miles. Loves it, 60 pounds of oil pressure. All right, let's get this hyperlube open. It's just fun to say, you know. Anyway, I always laugh at the seal on these things. It says sealed for freshness. It's like, all right, well, who's eating hyperlube? Anyway, let's get this stuff in the engine, and then we'll cut up this bottle and make our own funnel. Oh yeah, oh no, that's spillage, definite spillage. Let me get a rag. I got all of it in there without using the hyperlube funnel. I just kind of did the old guess and pour. I got 98.666 repeating % of the oil in there, but the stuff I didn't just decided to go everywhere, so we're cleaning up on it. The good news is thick oil also doubles as a polisher and rust prevent, so